From reflections in the sky, floating worlds are passing by. Every frame a living dream. Nothing here is what it seems. Golden shadows start to move through a silent velvet groove. Images begin to breathe, secrets hiding underneath. Close your eyes and drift away into the light of yesterday. Every moment bending time inside a vision so divine. We're inside a dream machine where the unreal can be seen. Every color, every light burning softly through the night. Step into the endless scene, living in a silver dream. Every frame of fantasy inside the dream silk horizons start to glow. Neon rivers slowly flow. Marble statues start to rise in the mirror of the skies. Crystal echoes in the air, moving through electric prayer. Every vision starts to grow in the world we never know. Time dissolves in liquid light. Endless worlds begin to write stories